What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dummy Tech Talks.
What's up?
Today we're going to be doing something for Trevor.
I bought this truck about a year ago, and it came with a Reese Hitch, and it also came with a lock on the Reese Hitch, which I have no key to. So I've been needing to do this for a while now, and I haven't. Been trying to figure out which way we could go. I can obviously blow torch it off because it's stainless. The lock that's on the vehicle, it's a stainless lock, so you can't cut it. I mean, you could. It'd take you about, I don't know, what, 50 bucks in blades. So we don't want to do that, and not to mention it'd take forever. So either blow torch it, which we don't have. Don't want to do that anyways because the gas, too close to the fuel tank. So what we're gonna try to do today is drill the lock out and see if that works. If it doesn't, who cares? The lock's still there. It's not like it's gonna fall off. If it comes off, then that's amazing. I have a brand new lock that I need to put on it. So that's what we're gonna do today. So without further ado, this is what we're gonna do.
Heck yeah.
All right, so we're gonna use a little bit of a foda, lube it up some, so we can get doesn't overheat anything, and hopefully it makes it easier. So we're gonna use a little titanium bit here first and just see, and we're gonna start small and work our way up. But as you can see, this is the old one, and it is definitely old, and I don't have a key. So here we go. We're in there pretty far. I think we're hitting the shaft now. We're gonna go a little bit bigger now.
Nice. Here, spray some of this in there real quick. There you go. Hey, it came out.
Came out, the locking mechanism.
We'll figure that out in a second.
Maybe we need to go a lot bigger. Alright, we're gonna step it up to the big boy. We're gonna drill out the rest of the locking mechanism, hopefully, because right now it's still holding on, and hopefully this works. And there you go. A little bit of finessing, and got it off.
Look at that guy. Heck yeah.
Literally, just broke it all off. So
We ended up using a 1/2-inch bit at the end there.
yeah, that worked. So now we're gonna put this new one in real quick, show you that I have a new working one. Brand new one.
Wanna get that side?
Yeah, push that in all the way. There we go.
It's a tighter fit too.
Alright. And see my keys right there. See? I actually have the keys for this one. And there it is.
Good to go.
Nice.
Yeah, you can remove the hitch when you don't want it on there.
There we go. That's how we do it. All right. Well, there you go.
Thanks for watching.
Yep. I hope that helps. This does work. So don't think that we just thought of an idea that could work. But obviously, drilling out a lock mechanism anytime, anywhere is going to work. So did not know there was plastic inside of these little locks, but apparently there is.
Yeah, that was kind of a surprise.
Yep. So hope this helps. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, if you like the video, like it, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more stuff like this, computer stuff, phone stuff, that kind of stuff, technical stuff, and other just fun things.
Yep. See you later.